Good evening, guys. I'm going to discuss about trimming table, okay, and with emphasis on the trimming correction forward and up, okay. So I'll just concentrate on this way of review. This will be based on this previous my last video. So I will based on this my video on that previous video. So let's start, guys. In my previous video, I have already shown you this loading plan. Okay. Again, we're going to load it Port Hedland, Australia, and discharge in Gwangyang, South Korea. And the local density of Port Hedland, Australia, is saltwater, which is 1.025. Okay. And the cargo to load is 205,665. This is a Capesize vessel named Cape Odyssey, and as I mentioned previously, the load uh, trimming hold is 8 and 2, and the amount of figure for trimming remaining cargo to load is 5,000. We'll just assume that the remaining cargo to load is 5,000, okay? And the departure drop, the mid drop will be 18.23. This is the mid drop, and the forward and up drop. Forward will be 18.13, and up will be 18.33, and the trim will be 20 centimeters. Okay, so this will be the initial draft when you start, when the foreman, when you at the pour number 18, after completing cargo hold number 2, uploading 40,470. The foreman stopped loading and asked the chief officer and the trap surveyor to make trap reading around the vessel. Drop reading around the vessel, and for computing the remaining cargo to load. For example, the chief officer and the surveyor agreed that forward drop and up drop, they both agreed that forward drop will be 17.67 and up drop will be 18.07, and the mid drop and trim, the mid drop is 17.87, and the trim is 0.40. Okay, so let's go to the program. Now this is the trimming two holes. Okay, according to the plan, your remaining cargo to load is 5,000. This is the initial draft. When you stop loading, forward is 1767, and up drop is 1807. This is the main drop. Okay, 1787. Then your trimming hold is hold 218. Then you scroll down. Then you have your final trim will be 20 centimeters, which is this one. So 20 centimeters will be your final trim. Okay. Then how much would you, if you have a trim of 20 centimeters, how much would you load in cargo hold number 2 and number 8? So cargo hold number 2 is says 248221. 248221. Okay. I just round it up. 2482. And number 8 would be 2518. 2518. Okay. 2518. And your departure drop would be Forward will be 1813, and up drop will be 1833. That will be your departure drop according to your plan, loading plan. So forward will be 18.13, forward and up. So this will be your final departure drop. Forward will be 18.13, and up will be 18.33, and your mid drop will be 18.23, and your trim of 20 centimeters, which is this one, guys. Okay, so forward is 18.13, and up drop is 18.33. You have a trim of 20 centimeters, and your main is 18.23. So your main is 18.23, your departure main, and you got the main here of 18.23, then you have a zero deflection. Okay, that is by trimming two holes. Okay, this program trimming two holes. Now we go now to the trimming table. Okay, go to the trimming table. This will be your initial drop, seven forward 1767, and up drop is 1807. Your main drop will be 1787. Okay, now as your recommended cargo to load is 5,000, which is according to your plan here. You have 5,000 as your recommended cargo to load. Okay, now back to the program. This is the format of the timing table. So in hole number two, you put down your figures of load to load in number and number eight. Okay, say number two, you load 248221, 24. This is 24. Just make it run it up. Okay, just put this like this. So it will be much better. So this will be 2482. Put here 2482, and up number 8 will be 2518. 2518. Okay. So what we do is we put the equals, then you go to holes 2, go to number 2. Okay. There. Then there you go. Put equals here and go to number 8. Okay. There you go. Okay. So in number 2, you load 2482, and number 8 2518. This this one is the same with this one. 2482. In hole number 2, this is this one 2482, and number 8 is 2518, which is this one. This is another program, but also trimming. But on this part, you load first number 8. After you completed loading this 2518, then you will get a drop of 1757 forward, and up drop 1853. This is your initial drop. Then after you completed hold number 8, then you load in hold number 2 with 2482. After completing this amount, the final drop will be 14. This should be 1814 and 1813. Okay. Using this, I will explain this later, but you get here the trim of 20 centimeters, and your main drop is 18 to 3, except for this drop forward of should be 18. How much? 18, 1813. Okay. You should be 1813, 1833. Okay. So We'll fix this one later on. Okay. Now, this is the amount that you're going to load. So here you have this forward correction and the up correction, meaning number two has a forward correction and up correction. So we go to the trimming table, correction table. So this will be trim correction table or trim table. So in hole number two, you have now the forward and up correction. Okay, this will be your drop of 2 meters, drop of 4 meters, drop of 6 meters, and drop of 18 meters, 8 meters. Since your drop is departure drop is 1823, so your forward correction would be 1823. Okay, so you hold number two, your forward correction is 2.3 of drop of 1823 or dearest. So 2.3, sorry, you go to the trim table, you put here 2.3, 2.3, okay? Then automatically your forward correction will show here, okay? Then you go to up correction and hold number two, I'm sorry. So cargo hold, this is your up correction, cargo hold number two of 18. So that will be negative 0.18, okay? So negative 0.18, 0.8, negative 0.8. That will be, so negative 0.8. Then you got here number two, you got a 0.8. Okay, same, okay? Then in number eight, sorry, number eight, scroll down, you go down to hole number eight. This is your hole number eight. Then you go to forward correction of hole number eight. This will be 18, okay? Nearest drop, I already put, this is this one, put this one, okay. Just, so forward correction and, oh, I'm sorry, undo, it should be black, number nine. Okay. So this is cargo hold number 8. Forward correction and go cargo hold number 8 is from 80 meters. That will be zero point 0.4, negative zero point 0.4. So you put here number 8. Forward is 0.4. Okay. So we go now to the up correction number 8. Up correction of number 8. Up correction. That will be 1.8. Okay. That will be 18 meters. 1.8. And I put here 1.8. 1.8. Okay. Once you put this correction forward and up, then you will get your final drop. Your final drop forward will be 18.14 and your up drop will be 18.32 and your main drop is 18.23, your mid drop is 18.23. You get the target of your departure drop, mid drop of 18.23, but your forward and up drop is not exactly as what you expected it to be. It should be forward 18.13 and 18.33. Okay? as a marine or as a loading officer, what matters more if your mid drop is 1823 because this is what is your loading plan is. So you hit the target and your main here is 1823, then that's okay. But the forward and up drop is different. And he look your trim is 18 centimeters instead of 20 centimeters. Okay. So what I'm going to do is to make this 20 centimeters and we make this 1813 and make this 1833. Okay. Now I'll explain further. This is your correction for hold number 2. Okay. Hold number 2. From 2 meters up to 20 meters, look at the correction. This is 2.7 forward correction. From 4 meters, it went down to 2.5. From 6 meters, it went down to 2.4. And 8 meters, 2.4. And 10 meters, 2.3. So it is decreasing. Okay? So decreasing here. But if the exact drop would be 18.23, it should be around here. But according to the correction, it's the same of negative 0.08. And drop 20 is negative 0.08. Okay? But I will, this, as I believe, as I understand, all these figures there are, uh, these are, uh, this is already, what you call, this is presumption. These are presumption figures that on this point, the correction should be negative 0.8. But here they have equal, okay? From 14 meters up to 20 meters, they have the same figures of the forward correction. So with the up correction here, forward correction, decreasing and 18 meters, you have negative 0.8 and here negative 0.8. So it's the same here. And your forward, this is the up correction and this will be the forward correction is 2, 3. All the same, no? You observe this one. Now, take note. Since your drop forward is 1813 and 1833 up, so we'll just try to figure out how to get this drop. Okay, I'll show you how. Okay, now we go to the trim table. Let's go up. Now, remember that the correction should be decreasing from 2 meters going down to 8 from this one. From 2 meters going up to 20 meters, the correction in number 2 forward should be decreasing from 2.7 down to 20 meters is 2.3, meaning decreasing. So what we're going to do is decrease the value. So 2.3, you take note of, okay guys, take note. Again, I remind you that in the sorry, back to the program. Take note that the correction is decreasing. Okay, in hold number 2 forward from 2.7 to 2.3, so it's decreasing, guys, up to drop
20, okay, in hold number 2. From drop 2 meters to 20 meters drop, the forward correction is decreasing, okay. So let's go to the program again, here. So when decreasing, says 2.3, we put here, take note of this drop forward, okay. Take note of this drop forward. So we decrease this one, put this to 2.9, okay. So 2.29, no change. 2.29, 2.28, okay, 28. Oh, should be 13, 28, 27. It's 27. Then here you are, 2.27, you got 18.13, which is, now you get now the forward drop of 18.13, okay. Forward is 18.13, okay. So your next, this should be 18.33, okay, which is 18.233, okay. That will be up drop. So we adjust. So we use now hold number 8 to adjust this drop up. So since you have a hold number 8, you have the forward drop and you have the up drop. So we have to adjust this up drop, okay. Okay. So let's go down a little bit. And look at the trim, it's already 19. Before it was 18, now 19. Okay? Meaning the vessel forward is raised. So when you rise, up drop will sink. Okay? That's why I have a trim of 19. So we adjust this hold number 8 of the up part, up correction, okay, and go down. We check the correction table, sorry, correction table, this one. Now hold number 8, scroll down, concentrate on the up correction. On what happens, it decrease until 1.8, okay. So decrease. So we go back to the trim table, it says decrease. So we try to put, take note of this drop up, okay, and the trim. So decrease, let's say 1.79, 79. No change. Then we put 1.78. Okay, 1.78. No change. We put 1 point. When you decrease this one, this will the up part of the vessel will rise. Okay. If you decrease this one, up part will rise. So you should add to sink. Okay. So we put 179. What was the correction? Is 1.8. Okay, book back to 1.8. 1.8. Put this to 1.8. Let's say it's 1.79. So we will 1.79. increase, no change. Then 1.8, put 8, no change, and up, and trim, 1.8, 1.81, 0.81. There you are. Okay, you got the forward and up. You got the forward drop 1813 and up drop is 1833, but your trim is 19. So continue. Put this to A2. 1A2. Then you have now your trim. Okay. So your trim now is 20 centimeters. Your forward drop is 1813, up drop is 1833, which is the same now. Forward and up drop is forward 1813, up 1833. Your mid is 1823, and your trim is 20. Okay, your mid and your trim. And your mid is 1823 and trim is 20 centimeters, which is this one. Okay, now look guys, on hole number 2 the weight is 2482, forward correction is 2727, and your up correction is negative 08, okay, and hold number 8, your cargo is 2518, number 8 is 2518, and your forward correction is negative 4, negative 0.4, and up correction is 182 and 182. Here, after finishing load hold number 8 with cargo of 2518, this will be your draft after loading up cargo. Okay, so forward will be 1757 and 8 up will be 1853. This is your initial draft. After loading this cargo, this will be your final draft after loading 21518. So forward will be 1757 and up draft will be 1853. Now, after loading number 8, you are going to load in hold number 2 the cargo of 2482. After loading, so you carry down this draft 1757, 1853. After loading 2482, your final draft forward will be 1813 and up draft will 1833. You have a trim of 20 centimeters and your main draft is 23. Okay, and your deflection will be 0. Okay, 0, which is the same here. Forward drop is 1813, up drop is 1813, main drop is 1823, mid drop is 1823, trim of 20 centimeters, and you have a 0 deflection. The same with your trim 2 holds. Trim 2 holds, you have a 5,000 remaining cargo to load, and your final drop will be 1813, forward and up drop will be 1833, trim of 20 centimeters, and main is 1823. You go to form 6, which is what we call the how to find trim when handling several weights. This is your initial drop, and here's the recommended cargo to load, but we put 5,000. So when you put 5,000, what will be the results? You see here, this will be increase of 0.0005. Also in your sinkage is 0.0005. That will be increased. But we choose to use 5,000. After loading 5,000, your hold number 2 will be 2482. That's your 2482, and hold number 8 is 2518. And your final drop will be forward will be 18.13, up drop is 18.33 and 18.20 trim, and your mean is 18.23, and you get the 0 trim. Now I go back to this trim table. Okay guys, I'll explain further. Guys, with this loading plan or loading sequence, these figures guys from 41 to 420, all these figures, when you load these rates, for example, in all 5 you load 9,000, this will be your forward drop of 8.26, 5.8 up, and so forth and so on. All these figures here is computed by your load master, loadicator. Is that correct? So in creating this loading plan, the basis for computation this loading plan is your loadicator. Okay, loadicator is the brain of the vessel, the soul and heart of the vessel. So whatever the recommended figures that your loadicator turns out to be, for example, you will write it here in your loading plan. So according to your computation, this will be your final drop according to the loadicator of the vessel. Forward will be 18.13, up will be 18.33, and your mid will be 8.23, and you have a trim of 20 centimeters. All these figures are computed by the loadicator. So in your trim table, your figures, your trim table, your drop should be like this. Forward is 18.13 and up will be 18.33, and main will be 18.23, your mid 18.23, and your trim should be 20. But according to the correction table of the vessel, or trim correction table, you have a difference in your forward and hold number 2. This should be 2.3, okay, according to the assumption of this table, but the resultant is different. It should be less of 2.27. See the difference? I mean, this correction forward isn't that accurate. You see, from how much? From 10 meters up to 20 meters, they have the same value of forward correction. So in between, there is something wrong here. So 18.23 meters your departure, so it should be around here. So it should be less. That's why you get the value of 2.27. This is more accurate because you get the value of 18.13. So let's say what was the value here? 2.3. Put here 2.3. 2.3. look at this drop forward. So it's not accurate when you put 2.3. But if you want to be accurate or interpolation, it should be 2.7. Then you get 18.13. What about in hood number 8? Hood number 8. Scroll down to hood number 8. This correction for 1823 is negative 0.4. Okay, 0.4. It is hold up correction is 1.8. I'm sorry, up correction is 1.8. So look at here, 1.8 in this is 20, 18, and 16. Okay, 16, 18, 20. So this is the same. Now, if we put the 1.8 here, look at the drop up, okay, and look at the trim, 20. Okay, if we put look at the drop up, okay, 1.8. The drop is 32 and you have a 19 centimeters trim. Okay, so it's not accurate, but if you put the right figures, 1.82, then you have the right up drop of 1833 and your trim is 0.20. So just a matter of a little adjustment. This one is 2.3. You decrease it a little bit to get 2.27. You get 18 drop of 1813, and this you increase of 1.82. Then you get a drop up of 1833. So it's a matter of adjustment. But guys, do not be afraid if you want to adjust this forward and up correction. Do not be afraid if you want to adjust the forward and up correction, because you're just putting these figures into the right place so that you will get the right drop forward and up, and also with the trim. Okay, because if you notice, like in hole number 2, in 10 meters, they all the same of 2.3, 2.3 up to 20 meters. So this is not accurate. This is just an assumption or presumption that somewhere around here the correction is 2.3. But to be exact, the correction for hole number 2, forward correction, should be 2.27. So that is the concept of this trimming table. So do not be afraid if you're going to adjust this forward and up correction. Do not be afraid. This is just a matter of putting this correction into the right perspective places so that you will get the right drop forward, up, and the right trim. Okay, I hope that is clear for you, and if you like this video, please click the like button, share, and subscribe. And please don't forget to click the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and good night.